Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to answer the question that came in grade 9 examination mathematics, and it was in 2021. This question came in 2021 grade 9 mathematics examination paper, and it was paper 2, and the question was 1C. So the question was as follows: given that m is equal to 2, 4, 0, negative 2, and n is equal to 1, negative 1, 3, 0. Find the matrix n minus 1 over 2 m. And this question was carrying 3 marks, so meaning the examiners will be looking for 3 meaningful steps which you have taken that can help you to find the correct answer, and they will definitely give maybe each step 1 mark. So it's very important that you master the steps I'm going to show you, because you need to show those steps in an exam so that they can allocate those marks in those steps. Please don't just write the answer like the way it is. You just don't just write the answer. Examiners also want to see the steps you're taking as you're solving this question. So what we are going to do is we are going to rewrite the question which is given. Once we have written the question that is given, the next thing we're going to do is now we are going to replace the names of matrix by their actual matrix. The names of matrices by their actual matrices. Okay, so we are going to say matrix n is 1, negative 1, 3, 0, close bracket, minus 1 over 2, open bracket, multiplied by 2, 4, 0, negative 2, close bracket. Okay, once we have done that, then the next thing I'm going to do is now I'm going to evaluate 1 over 2 by matrix M, which is going to be this one, the one I've underlined. I'm going to evaluate that first. So I'm going to rewrite matrix N, which is 1, negative 1, 3, 0, close bracket, minus, open bracket. So I'm going now here to multiply each element in matrix M by 1 over 2. If you don't know how to do this, there is a video we made on matrices, which is multiplying matrix by a scalar, or multiplying a scalar by a matrix. So check on that video. We discussed that in length, and you'll find that video helpful. We really tackled everything that you need to know about it, multiplying a matrix by a scalar. Okay, once we have opened the bracket, so what we're going to do is we're going to say 1 over 2 times 2, 1 over 2 times 4, 1 over 2 times 0, 1 over 2 times negative 2, we close bracket. Okay, once I've done that, then we are not yet with the matrix M multiplied by 1 over 2. So what we're going to do, we're going to rewrite matrix N just the way it is in the question. We are not doing anything with matrix N yet. We are just writing it the way it is. Then now we need to find the product of matrix A multiplied by 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 will give us 1. First, I'm going to write minus, open bracket, then 1 over 2 times 2 will give us 1, 1 over 2 times 4 will give us 2, 1 over 2 times 0 will give us 0, 1 over 2 times negative 2 will give us negative 1, close bracket. Okay, once we've done that, now here we can, as you can see, we've got matrix N and the product of matrix M multiplied by 1 over 2. Once we've done that, then we can now subtract these two matrices. Well, now, the other thing you need to consider when you're subtracting matrices is you subtract elements that are corresponding. So elements that are corresponding, you subtract them. So what I mean is when you're subtracting, you look at elements in two matrices that are occupying the same position. They're in two different matrices, but they are occupying the same position. So those are called corresponding matrices. So 1 and 1, 1 in matrix N and 1 in matrix a matrix that is a product of 1 over 2 multiplied by M, they are corresponding. Therefore, we're going to say 1 minus 1. So before I do that, let me just open bracket. Then I say 1 minus 1. Then again, now remember, these numbers 1 minus 1, you can also put them in brackets if you want, but even leaving them like that, it's also correct, as long as they don't confuse you. Okay, then 1 minus 1, then the next one we're going to have 1, negative 1 minus negative 2, then 3 minus 0, then we have 0 minus negative 1. 0 minus negative 1. Then we close bracket. Okay, once we've done that, then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the actual subtracting. So I'm going to open bracket, then I'm going to say 1 minus 1, 0. Negative 1 minus negative 2 will give us negative 3. 3 minus 0, 3. 0 minus negative 1 will give us 1. And then we're going to close bracket, and then that is the correct answer. So basically, this is how you solve questions that involves matrices. If it came like that, that's what you do. If you have a question on matrices, maybe a question which came in an exam on matrices and it's confusing you, please, you can still write in the comment section. We'll be glad to help. Otherwise, this is how you solve matrices. If you found this video helpful, remember to like it and also share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also we invite you to like our page. It is also Easy Learning Z Mathematics. Thank you so much for watching. It has been Easy Learning Z Mathematics. The future is bright. See you in the next video, and God bless you.